Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use this sheet metal. And in this video, you'll learn to use the Flange, Extrude, Unfold, and Refold features. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will change the material thickness and the bend radius. So the thickness will be 5 millimeters and the bend radius 10 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to sheet metal and go to sheet metal rules. And here click on new rule. The name here will be 5 millimeters here. Sorry. The thickness 5 millimeters and click in bend conditions. And the bend radius is 10 millimeters and save. We made this material, thickness 5 millimeters and the bend radius 10 millimeters. Close it here. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create the base, this rectangle. This rectangle has 108 millimeters by 140 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to sheet metal, create a sketch and select the front plane. Select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle. Click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here, 140 by 108 millimeters. We made this. Finish the sketch and go to Flange. Select this part, this sketch, sorry. And the sheet metal rule, select the steel 5 millimeters and press OK. We made this. Make sure that the material has 5 millimeters of thickness. We made this. Now we will bend this material to make this face here. So this face has 160 millimeters of length, the distance between this face here and this one. So let's create this. So go to Flange, select this edge and this edge here. The distance here, 160 millimeters. And the bend position, select the inside and press OK. Go to Inspect. The distance here must be 108. And the distance between this face here and this face must be 160 millimeters. We made this. Now we will create this bend here. So to create this, we needed to bend this material 85 millimeters of length. We'll make this. And look that the radius is adjacent with this face here, with this line. So go to Flange, select this edge here and this edge here. The distance here, 85 millimeters. And the bend position is adjacent. And press OK. We made this. Now we will make this chamfer here, make this cut. So to create this, we will create a line in this face here. And the distance between this line here and this point, 35 millimeters and 35 millimeters here. So go to create a sketch and select this face. Go to create project included, project, selection filter, select the body, select this body and press OK. Now select a line, make a line here and go to sketch dimension. The distance here, 35 millimeters and the distance here, 35 millimeters. We made this. Finish the sketch and go to Extrude, select this profile. The extended type, select all and flip the direction, operation cut and press OK. We made this. Now we will make this cut here. So to create this cut, we will select this face to make a sketch and we will make this arc here, this arc and this one. But the first thing that we make, we'll create a construction line here in the center and create this circle with 75 millimeters of diameter. So go to create a sketch and select this face. And go to create project, include project. The selection filter body, select this body and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. Select line, a construction line, make a construction line here. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. And select the circle, make a circle here. Remove the construction line type with 75 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between the center of the circle and this line here is 72.5 millimeters. So go to sketch dimension, 72.5 millimeters. We made this. Now here, this arc is tangent with this face and tangent with this face here and tangent with this arc, with this circle, okay? So let's create this. Go to create, select arc, 3-point arc. Click here in this line, click here in this line. Go to constraint, select tangent, select this arc and this line, this arc and this line, this arc and this circle. We made this. Check the dimension. 20 millimeters, 0.44. The same here. So let's create one more here. So go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here. Go to tangent. We made this. And here, go to create, select mirror, select this arc and this arc, the mirror line, select this construction line and press OK. And here, select line, make a line between this point and this point here, and this point and this point here. And finish the sketch. Show this body here. Go to Extrude. Select all this profile. And the extended type, select all, flip the direction, and press OK. Operation cut. We made this. Now to next step, we'll make the holes. So to make this, we'll go to modify and select unfold. And the stationary entity, select this face, the base, and unfold all bands. If you want to unfold only one band, so you remove this and you can select the band that you want to unfold. Okay, but in our case, we'll select all bands and press OK. We made this. Now go to create a sketch and select this face. So here, to create this hole here and this base, we'll make a rectangle here with 90 by 90 millimeters with a center point. So let's create this. Go to create, select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint. Make this a construction line type, 90 by 90 millimeters. Okay. And in the edge, we'll make a circle. This circle has 20 millimeters of diameter. Our holes are 20 millimeters. So let's create this. And this one is 70 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, remove the construction line type, make a circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter. This one I will use equal. And this one has 70 millimeters of diameter. Go to constraint, select equal, make the circle equal with each others. We made this. Now we will make this circle here, this cut. So this circle is concentric with this arc and the diameter is 20 millimeters. So select the circle, make a circle here. Go to constraints and select the concentric. Select this circle, this arc, this circle, this arc. And go to sketch dimension. Or you can go to constraints, select equal, select this circle and this one. All this circle has 20 millimeters of diameter. We made this. Now we will make this circle here. But first we'll make a construction line here in the center. So select line, construction line, make a construction line here. And to create this, we'll take the center of this line and make a line here with 20 millimeters. Then we'll make a line here with 100 millimeters. So let's create this. Select line, construction line, find the center of this edge here. So if you can find this more easy, go into project, include project, and the selection filter, specified entities, select this edge here and press OK. Now select line, construction line, find the center. When you see this triangle here, it means that is the center. Or you can click in any part here, make a line here perpendicular with 20 millimeters of length, and go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this point and this line. We made this. Now select the line again, make a line here. This line must be perpendicular with this one, and go to constraint, midpoint, select this line and this point. And the length here is 100 millimeters. We made this. Now in this 2 point we have a circle with 20 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, make a circle here, remove the construction line type, and make another circle here. Go to constraint, equal, select this circle and this one, this circle and this one. Now the distance between the center of this circle and the center of this circle is 30 millimeters. And the diameter of the circle is 50 millimeters of diameter. So select a line, a construction line, take this point, make a line here with 30 millimeters, and go to circle, remove the construction line type, click at this point, make a circle here with 50 millimeters of diameter. We made this. Now go to create, select mirror, select these 3 circles, and the mirror line, select this construction line and press OK. We made this. Now finish the sketch and go to Extrude, select all these circles, and the extended type, select all, flip the direction, operation cut, and press OK. We made this cut. Okay. Now we will go to refold face. So click here, and we made this. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.